Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Horsey. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Ready? Ready? Whoa. Yeah, you tell him. Yeah, you tell him. How dare you? How dare you hide? How dare you hide in there? Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this dog squeak toy. So, gonna be a Christmas gift for our pet. We got a Sheltie purebred. So she is going to get this for Christmas. But we want to show you guys in case it interests you and you think your pet might like it. So, I don't know about you, but we've tried these different styles before, and our pet Emma loves these. So, this ought to be interesting to see if she will like this. Now, she's going to get it early so we can demonstrate it for you guys. Because what better to see if your pet's going to like it than if we try it on ours. So, couple things. Your dog can get it from the bottom. Get him from all... Okay, so there's 3. Your dog can get it from here, here, or the bottom. And basically what they do, or cat, I don't know, maybe cats would like this too. But basically what they do is they put the snout in and they pull it out. And then when they pull it out, what you guys do is, yay! Clap every time. And what that does, it trains them, oh, every time I pull one out, you know, my owners clap and it's exciting. So that's something you guys can do. It is extremely cute. I mean, they are so cute. So let's try it out on our Sheltie. Get him, Emma! Get him! Come on! Can you get him? Shake him up! Ready? Oh. She's used to these toys. Yay, Emma! Good job, Emma! Is there more? Get him! Get him! Yay, Emma! Good job, Emma! Is there more? Get him! I'm telling you guys, if you create a game out of this, your dogs will go wild, and it makes them so happy. Can you get it? Shake it up! Shake him up! Yay, Emma! Does it squeak? Emma, does it squeak? Squeak it! She's like, are there more? There's no more. There's no more in there, Emma. Get him! Does it squeak? Squeak it! Good girl.